De-winterizing, it's the easy thing to do, and we're going to show you how to do that today. As you can see, we got pink antifreeze in your lines from the winterization. So we're going to hook water up and show you how to de-winterize. Two things you're going to want to replace after winterizing is your cartridge house filter and your refrigerator filter. On this Palisade, it comes with a water hose. So we're going to take that and hook it to a water source and go from there. So I like to start outside here at the outside faucet, make sure everything is going good. I got a bucket here to spray in so I don't make a mess anywhere. We're going to do the hot and cold separate because they come from a different source. So I'm going to start with the cold. Then we'll go to hot. Okay, I like to start from the farthest away because that's how when you winterize. So I'm gonna go back to the washing machine and we'll start working my way back. On the washing machine, we're gonna turn it on and go to quick wash. And then go ahead and start that. Because you just wanna get the lines rinsed out. And while that's running, we're gonna go over here and start running these faucets. The cold lines are running clear, so we're going to switch to hot. Okay, now we're going to run the shower. Take it down so you don't get sprayed. I did the hot and cold, and now I'm just going to put it in the middle so it's kind of getting a mixture of both, just to get anything that might be left. We're going to flush the toilet. Now we're going to do the kitchen sink. Now we're going to cycle the dishwasher. I'm going to put it on fast. Okay, so now that we've got everything cycled, we're going to do the fridge. As you can see here, we got some mushy ice cubes. The ice cubes are clear and not pink because it went through the filter and it takes the pink out, so it is winterized. So we're going to dump this. And this has a water pitcher in here. So we're going to dump that. And once again, it is clear too because the filter takes the pink out. And then we're just going to stay hooked to a water source and let the fridge naturally cycle through, making some ice, filling the pitcher before we change the filter because there's probably pink in the lines coming to the reefer. And we want that to get out before we actually change the filter. If you can, leave your coach hooked to water overnight, and that way the system will be empty and then you can change your filter. Okay, last thing we're going to do, we're going to turn the water off. Then we're going to replace this filter. Go ahead and run this to take the pressure off the system. Put a new filter in. Okay, and you're ready to hit the road.